What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today I have something really cool for you guys, a nice brand new unboxing video. Alright, so we haven't had an unboxing video in quite some time, and it's been kind of rough the past couple of weeks here, getting videos out and everything. Winter and I guess fall and everything in the holiday, it's been absolutely crazy. But we got home today and we were able to find two brand new boxes on the steps, and it's really cool, really cool. So as you guys do know, I do buy a lot of stuff off eBay, and this one, it did cost a little bit, but it's something pretty cool and unique. And then this one, the bigger one, this is actually from the Monster Jam Superstore, and most of you guys, if you guys know the exclusive truck that came out recently, or follow the Monster Jam collecting or Monster Truck collecting group, or even Monster Jam OCD, you guys should know what's in this big box right here. This one's kind of special, so we're going to open this one last. However, I'm going to open this one first because I am curious to see how, I guess, filled or whatever Monster Jam Superstore packed these trucks. And this is the Christmas exclusive stunt truck. At least it should be. So hopefully that is in here, and I guess there's only one way to find out. So let's open this big huge box first, and then we'll move on to the special little box over here. Alright, so we saw Monster Jam OCD's video of the Christmas exclusive truck, which is actually the first year that Spinmaster has a Christmas exclusive truck, which is pretty cool. So I had to do what I always do and get a couple of them. Now, unlike the Halloween truck, I didn't go kind of like all out and get 6 of them. I only ended up getting, I believe, 4. I can't really remember. I really don't have good memory with that. But the one thing I am very intrigued with is how these are actually packaged. I know a lot of people get these trucks and, you know, the cards are bent, or there's always something up with them. So I'm always intrigued, and I love doing these openings because I get to see if they're actually packaged very well or not very well. And here it is. So I'm just going to flip this right over so you guys can see it. Very nice packaging so far. So right here is your little slip. So let me just see what this says. Yep, and I am right. So I ordered this on 11/21. So I'm pretty sure that was the day it was released. Actually, I think this truck did get released at midnight that day. And I just got this, I would say, about 3 days ago. So it took a little bit of time. Today is currently December 3rd as of filming. By the time this is uploaded, it might be like December 5th or somewhere in that ballpark. But here we go. So one thing interesting off the bat is this is the first time I am getting the Superstore exclusive truck, and it's not in its own plastic kind of bubble here. So let's see if these are bent or not. And I must admit, these are some cool looking packages. One thing they do well is with special edition trucks or exclusive trucks, I like the packaging. So here is the first one. Right here, the stunt truck, which I'm glad to see that is back. And as you can see, the card is a little bent. Not too bad. It is a little bent on the side. And very interesting here with the packaging. We'll get to that in a second, but here's one. As now I'm pulling out the other ones and they're all falling. Here is number 2. Is in a little bit better condition. Looking at number 3. Looks like the top is a little bent. That's okay. I really like these stickers on the back too. That's pretty nice. And number 4. This one, see if we can pull all this out. This is actually a weird packaging. Yeah, no bubble wrap. It just has like this tissue, cardboard paper kind of thing going on. And here it is. And this one's actually the worst one. It's really bent up here at the top. If you guys can see that right there. So not bad. It looks like 2 out of the 4 trucks did make it pretty good. So let's move the box out of the way here. Alright guys, so here it is, the 4 trucks that I was able to get, the 4 exclusive trucks. I would say out of the 4, probably the 2 on the left over here are in the best shape card-wise. Obviously the truck itself is in tremendous shape, but I know a lot of you guys collect cards and everything. So the main thing is, interesting enough with this packaging, and as you can tell, it's more of a square, here as I move the camera up. So like you see how this isn't like a V like the other packaging is. And one of the cool things, if you follow Monster Jam OC, which if you guys don't, I highly recommend you guys do on Instagram or even on here on YouTube, this packaging is actually going to be the 2021 packaging, and I'm really glad to see that's on the exclusive truck. That's pretty cool. I think that's going to be a lot better with the packaging too, so the cards don't get bent. However, as you saw with this, some cards did get bent. It's okay. I mean, it really depends. But anyway, moving on to this, really cool. I really thought Spinmaster was going to do something like this last year with once they had the Halloween truck and everything, but they didn't. They waited to this year, and I really like this. I like the Happy Holidays. I like the 2020. I really love the snow tires on the truck itself. I like the little jingle balls and all that on the back. The Christmas edition exclusive. Interesting enough, this does not say 1 out of 3,000 or anything. It might on the back here. Nope, it just says holiday exclusive, limited edition, and then there's a little paragraph here. If you guys want to pause the video, I'm not going to read that because, yeah. So if you want to pause the video, if you guys don't have this, you guys can read that real quick. But really cool. This is definitely the last exclusive truck for 2020. 2020 has been a very weird year for everything, but I think this came out pretty good. I like this truck. I like the use of the stunt truck. I am a little upset that 2 of the cards did get kind of destroyed. Now, I do have 2 extras. One I'm going to keep in the box, and one I am going to actually open, and but I don't know what to do with the other 2 if you guys can't get this truck, or if this truck does sell out. The weird thing with this truck is that it's not like 1 out of 5,000, it's 1 out of 3,000. So that's very interesting that they did that. I don't understand why. Maybe something with, the whole virus or something going on, but very interesting they did that. However, it is pretty cool. I do like this truck. It's very unique. Definitely something a must-have if you collect, because it is the first time that Spinmaster has a Christmas exclusive truck. We did not have one last year, but this is pretty cool. And just for the snow treads, I think that really makes the truck. Also, we could have seen this with a different truck besides the stunt truck, but I really do enjoy that they made it the stunt truck, because we only seen it once, and I don't know if we're going to see it again, so it was a very unique way they can use the casting of it again as well. And nonetheless, pretty cool truck. Once I open one of them, I will go into a better review on it, but nonetheless, definitely should get this thing. I highly recommend it if you're collecting, and hopefully if you guys did get this, if you opened the package from Spinmaster or failed, hopefully your trucks didn't get bent. Mine wasn't too bad, and this is also the first time I ever got 4. However, it is kind of intriguing that they didn't have the plastic wrap with the truck itself. So yeah, definitely a must-have piece, definitely a very cool piece. I really love the snow tread tires, and I really can't wait to see the 2021 trucks. That's going to be really interesting, and really happy now that in 2021, these cards aren't going to be bent maybe. I do like this a lot better, the square look, and honestly I think it looks nicer. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys got this truck and it came all bent. And I just realized this now, it does say 1 out of 3,000 on the bottom here as I'm looking at it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me focus. There you go, 1 of 3,000. That was kind of hidden. I wasn't looking there. I was just staring at the tire. But it is 1 of 3,000. Really unique truck. Don't know how long these are going to stay on the Superstore, because they might sell out pretty quick. But with that being said, let me know in the comments if you guys ordered this, if you got a couple of them, or if yours came bent or destroyed or anything like that. And yeah, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in another video very shortly. And actually, before I end this video, I totally forgot. We have another box to open. So yeah, let's open this thing. So yeah, I totally forgot I mentioned this box in the beginning of this video, so this is going to be an added bonus for you guys. This is something really cool, really unique. So you guys do know, if you watch my other unboxing videos, there is I would say a place on eBay which I highly recommend getting trucks, highly recommend getting anything, and that is West Coast Toy Mafia. They have the best, guys. You buy something, it comes very fast. I actually ended up buying this on November 30th. and it came within a couple days, which was really, really cool. And this is something pretty unique. One of the things you guys are definitely going to know, because it's something I can't find and I had to buy it. So the first thing here is something you guys already know, and it is pretty hard to find, pretty hard to get. Yeah, the Megalodon ride truck. So I couldn't find this thing for the life of me anywhere, and sadly in New Jersey there's no Meyer, there's no Cross or Kraus, there's no stores like that. We're currently stuck on like Mix 10 in Walmart's, and it's very pitiful and very horrible. But finally got it, so we just completed Mix 13 with this. Card is a little bent, but that's okay. The truck's going to be opened anyway, and hopefully I'll be able to find some of these soon. Now, that's not the only thing in here. Now, as you guys, if you know me and everything, I love cars, I love Integras, and, you know, I have a 1999 Acura Integra that I basically built from the ground up, and when I saw these, I just had to get them because I love Integras, so this was like an added bonus. If you guys don't know cars that much, as I pull this out, these were really cool. I've never saw anything like these, and these are Type R Integras, and I just had to have them, just because I have a Acura Integra that I basically built, and it's a fully built GSR, so it's kind of like a Type R motor, so I just had to get these. Really cool, really unique, had to get them. And then, of course, the Megalodon, can't find that anywhere, but yeah, definitely a good day from the mail, definitely a cool unboxing, was really hyped and excited for these, even better with this, and this is just a nice little touch to my collection, I guess. But yeah, with that being said, guys, now I will end the video. Highly recommend West Coast Toy Mafia. His prices might be a little high for some people, but definitely fast shipping. Dude, I always order from them. Totally 100% legit. And of course these guys, you understand this, you know the struggle with these. But yeah, on that note, we're going to end this video now. Hopefully Mix 13 will be available soon, hopefully. And yeah, I will see you guys very shortly.